Well, y'all, we gonna record each other then.
Okay, man.
I'm a real queen, I was born
Each
worthy.
other.
Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the blood. When they tried to hurt me, can't take it from me, I was born worthy. Real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the blood.
This is
When they tried
ears,
to
but I don't
hurt
know what
me, can't
eyes
take
mean.
it
Oh,
from me, I was
those.
born worthy. Real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out
Oh
the
man,
blood. When they
listen,
tried to
I got a
hurt me,
new
can't take it
toy,
from me,
man. I
I
got a
was
new
born
4
worthy.
auto 300 blackout. Nobody has it. It's a 4 300 blackout. AR-15 300 blackout. 4 auto. Nobody has it.
15. I know that from Fortnite.
Which one is it? This one down here?
Yes, sir.
We about to shoot an AR-15, but it's not fully automatic. This is a fully
Oh, this one
automatic.
going.
Yeah, this one's gonna dump.
Nah, I'm all right for that right now. I ain't trying to mess my shoulder up that much
We're
tonight.
gonna start off with this one.
Have you ever even held a gun before?
Yeah, she in there.
I'm more of a shotgun specialist.
Be careful, that's got magnum loads in it.
All the smoke.
Oh boy, I want no smoke.
All the smoke, bro.
You got all the smoke right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just lean into it a little bit. It's gonna kick a little bit. Don't drop it.
I'm ready.
Go ahead. Good.
It's gonna hit me in the face.
No, it's not. You good.
You hit me in the collarbone. Hold it tight. Adrian Chevelle. Hey, 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 I'm not about to worry about your problems today. Adrian Chevelle. Hey.
There's so many battles on my left and my right. Take a shot for all of your problems. I ain't worried about them tonight.
What's your pistol version? Better not.
Take a shot for all your burdens. I got 99 problems, but a shot ain't one out. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down now. I got 99 problems, but a shot ain't one out. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down now. I got 99 problems, but a shot ain't
We
one
don't got that much time,
99
so
problems,
I'm
but a
gonna
shot ain't one.
Okay.
Safety. It's empty right now. So I can make sure it's clear. Lock it on the side. Make sure it's empty. The magazine in. Make sure the safety's still on. Magazine in. And make sure your gun is facing down the range. Take the safety off and shoot. Alright? I'm gonna show you how to do it first. So back up behind the red line. It's already loaded. So just pick it up. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot. Yep, finger stays here. Point down range. Safety off. Good. Let me let Adrian get a couple shots in. Safety on.
Out here, off the white, I'm talking Belvedere. Focus, can't let nothing interfere. Living more once you drop the film. Lituation when we in the building. Stacking bread, money to the ceiling. Pressing forward, yeah, we make a killing.
There's so many battles on my left and my right. Take a shot for all of your problems. I ain't worried about them tonight. It's called shot burden.
Always down range. Finger off. Just the safety. Off the safe. Down the safety off. So you don't take the safety off till you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
So when it's locked back like this, all you gotta do is hit this when you put the clip in and it'll automatically pull in. So automatically puts with it. Safety off. Safety back on.
Problems take 99 shots. Still going out, you get dressed in my house. Money is paper, we'll get to that later. No worries, no worries, I'll do you a favor. Come to the bar, I'm attending tonight. I ain't Rihanna, but I hurry up. Once you get too drunk, you just let me know. I turn on my meter. can't fix, we gon' be fine. There's so many battles. My love tonight. Take a shot for all of your problems. I ain't worried about them tonight. Score a shot burning. Take a shot for all your burdens.
Did you see that? You got the
I got the zoom in and everything.
We got time to come back to that.
right on the light on that board. Hit him in the neck, hit him in the nose, hit him in the ear 3 times.
You want to try to practice in it for center mass space, and you just hit body space.
Yeah.
You get more comfortable aiming. This one. So safety is on both sides. That's a safe. It's on safe.
I got 99 problems, but the shot ain't one.
And I shoot rifles left-handed, so it's a little bit weird. But still unsafe. It's not loaded yet. Slide on it. Charge it. Okay.
Yeah.
Just like that. Are you ready? Put the safety on. Shoot. That's ready to shoot. Just lean into it a little bit. It's gonna kick a little bit. Don't drop it.
I'm a real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the mud. When they tried to hurt me, can't take it from me. I was
No, it's not.
born
You
worthy.
good.
Real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the mud. When they tried to hurt me, can't take it from me. I was born worthy. Real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the mud. When they tried to hurt me, can't take it from me. I was born worthy. Real queen, I was born worthy. Even when they all tried to curse me, got it out the mud. When they tried to hurt me, can't take it from me. I was born worthy.
Finger off the trigger, safety on. And just set it down.
Go ahead, do it again.
Keep going to the end. Empty?
How that feel, babe?
I thought I was gonna go in the garbage like Kevin Hart.
Got a little bit of kick to it.
My stomach and my ass.
Oh yeah, you ready for the streets.
Yo, look at these. I'll keep one of these.
Oh, I didn't even see the shells coming out. Yeah, you should
yeah.
keep one. Keepsakes.
All right, this one's a little bit different because we don't got the stock on it. So, yeah, I'll have to show you how to do this one.
What's that one called?
This is an AR-15.
Oh, okay.
So with this one, you charge it here, so you pull it back here. Make sure y'all paying attention. Make sure y'all paying attention so I can.
Nah,
so
what
we
is
can let
yeah,
y'all
like so.
So as far
I
as
thought the
those,
whole thing went in your
as
ass.
far as those go, my friend, I think it should be fine. As far as having stock and everything on it.
Okay.
Try to give me a full body.
Okay, okay, man.
With my J's.
I got you right with the G.
So this one, safety in the same spot. Right here.
Push it down.
Charge is here. So charge here. Safety there. Take it back on to the side.
That shit got fire coming out of it.
Right. That shit. No, his shoot flamed. You didn't see it at the end of his barrel.
You
Was
come
they
shoot this
shooting?
one first.
At the end of the
Adrian, just
barrel,
watch
what?
it. Because this one got a little kick to it, like a rocket motor. This one got a little kick to it. So watch how it. I shoot left. Right here.
It's on your first one, you gotta do it good, right? Your first one back, you gotta hit it out the park. That's a home run. Alright. I be in class, the kids be like, on God. I be like, right. You be like, you putting it on yourself? They be like, yeah, I put it on God. I be like, you know you made it in the image.
It feels like a week ago we was just some Bambinos. 5/14, 1987's when I made my cameo. Born in that town with Shirt Memorial Hospital. 4 quarters, let's all split $1. Walk up to the candy store. We can get some penny candy, hot chips and cookies, soup, play basketball and ride our bikes as soon as we get out of school. Bro, them boys that's on the bus, you tell me if they fuck with you, cause every day I beat they ass right at the bus stop at the school. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore, but some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. We couldn't wait to be grown up, just so we can do whatever we want.
Yep, you good. You good. I rested over.
Yep.
We let her get a couple shots.
properties, got investments and quadplex, running real life like Monopoly. When I was 19, I stopped selling weed from state to state just to get the cheese. Now I'm 32 and I'm moving weight from state to state, but it's legally. Trucker life is what it gotta be. It's just a pit stop to get what I need. Stacking money, about to live my dreams, making boss move to take care of me. Most of y'all be lane changing, speeding past, going nowhere fast, but I found me in the right lane. So instead he bout to get the cash, so instead he bout to get the bag, so instead he always turn me on. Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle. Nah, it ain't a race, it's a marathon. I manifest all that I want by focusing on what I want, not what I don't. He say I'm all that he want, but I don't make time for no one. If it ain't about goals, if it ain't about catching dreams, if it ain't about getting coins, or my son, made no time. I be focused, watch me, all I do is grind. Manifest all that I want by focusing on what I want, not what I don't. He say I'm all that he want, but I don't make time for no one. If it ain't about goals, if it ain't about catching dreams, if it ain't about getting coins, or my son, made no time. I be focused, watch me, all I do is once a girl that became a queen, so I cast away all the childish things. Only focus on what I want, get what I don't from around me. Only game I play is cash flow. I'm out the rat race with the properties, got investments and quadplex, running real life like Monopoly. I'm a self-made individual, got me meditated with my crystal, got a vision board full of visuals. I can see the vision from my eyes closed. Third eye's always open though, got me seeing clearer than an eagle. Put a pistol to your ego, all weapons formed against evil.
Yeah, that's why I said I seen that joint on fire. That one's smaller than the other one, but it seemed like it's more like it. Like
I manifest all that I want by focusing on what I want, not what I don't. He say I'm all that he want, but I don't make time for no one. If it ain't about goals, if it ain't about catching dreams, if it ain't about getting coins, or my son, made no time. I be focused, watch me, all I do is once a girl that became a queen, so I cast away all the childish things. Only focus on what I want, get what I don't from around me. Only game I play is cash flow. I'm out the rat race with the properties, got investments and quadplex, running real life like Monopoly.
What if they give us some money back?
We just didn't have enough time to.
Yeah.
that one's easier to load than the handgun.
Yes, I had to get like a handgun loader.
Yeah,
for real,
because
it's too hard.
Yeah,
Rifles, you just push it down.
that looks like it's easier. Like you're just popping them in.
Is it? It's too hard?
No. It's fine. Just a little bit.
Wait, we shot
It's
four different guns.
Yeah, 4. That kickback was free.
Did first.
Yeah,
I'm glad he did all of them first.
yeah.
He did all of them first. I knew what to expect.
Oh, yeah.
And I got to keep his old ass. Next time, I'm gonna pop his ass right here. I'm gonna pop his ass. One day.
They got a lot of smoke.
Maybe when we go to your grandma's house.
Right, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Go to Georgia and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Do the same thing, just rent a gun.
Yeah.
Just what?
You can do the same thing, just rent a gun.
Oh, rent a gun.
Yeah, rent one. How they got a ball?
Oh, yeah. Why it cost so much? Why is it $80?
What, for the range time? That's just how much it is.
Oh, that's just what it costs?
Yeah. That's how much it costs to actually come in the range and shoot. Right?
Oh, so they just wait till you done.
You a safe place. Now,
Yeah, because we ain't got to buy no land to do it and shit. And to practice.
Hopefully, when you come back down, well, if you do come back down, my granny having a big cookout this summer. Mom's
Well,
coming, everybody
I'm
coming.
moving here.
Yeah, I heard.
Yes. I'm coming in mid-June, so a few weeks.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yes.
July.
Yes.
That's
no,
when the party
mid-June.
is. That's what I'm saying.
Aiden will be here too. So.
Ooh, I haven't seen any of
Oh,
God.
Aiden, I'm gonna be taking his ass to shoot some gun. Well, I don't know. Can a kid shoot? He have to be a certain age.
You can start shooting.
Yeah.
Down here, they teach them early.
Yeah, because I seen that guy took his son up in there. That's why I was like, I'm bringing Aiden.
Yeah, you should.
Popping off though.
Huh?
The sun wasn't popping off though.
Nah. But you don't know what they do in their spare time though. Nice.
I said get out! You better get on the way!
Got a little bit of kick to it.
My stomach and my ass!
Oh yeah, you ready for the streets.